3GEG, this is G4NUO. Do you copy, Gerald?
Yeah, I copy you. I only have that's my problem here. I think I have to adjust my read control a little bit. So you make a transmission, I will do that.
Yeah, okay, Gerald. That was my fault. I was slightly
Off frequency. I had to. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, I'm in the right mode. Yeah, it was last used on low sideband, so I'm okay. Yeah, I'll give you a report on this one. It should be about the same, I believe.
It's good to try this rig out again. And the beauty of this is that it's completely analog. There's no DSP in this at all. Where with the ICOM, it is DSP.
Thank you for the contact at 73. It's been a pleasure. All the best from PA3GEG. Bye-bye. To you, and wonder how you copying me. Oscar Kilo 2, Victor Sierra Uniform, Papa Alpha 3, Golf Echo Golf.
Yes, thank you very much for the information. So, report for you 5969. My name is Maria, Mike Alpha Romeo India Alpha, and I am from Northeast Czech Republic. About 25 kilometers from Ostrava South.
Yeah, Roger, Malia, thank you very much for the nice report and for the information. I'm running here a very old transceiver, the FT101 Echo from Yaesu. It's almost 50 years old.